Alright, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Alright, so what's good YouTube? It's your man, the son of some man.
My son, who's my son? 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 Who's my son?
And we are back with a brand new video. What's up guys? How's everyone doing? I hope all is well to whoever's tuning in, checking us out today. But if you are brand new, please do me a favor. Hit that subscribe button down below as we are on the journey this year to hitting 10,000 subscribers, and you of course could be that subscriber to bring us that much more closer. So please do me a favor, do yourself a favor, hit that subscribe button down below. Also, you're brand new, you're probably going to want to get notified every time I drop a brand new video around here. And me personally, I like to keep it consistent, so please do me a favor, hit that notification bell down below. Alright, jumping right into today's video. As you can see, we got two packages we got to open. We got one from 8 and 9. If you're not familiar with 8 and 9, the links to the Instagram, the links to the website will be in my description. Make sure you use my code if you decide to purchase anything from the website. Use my code SOMEMAN. It'll save you 15% on your entire purchase. So make sure you check them out. They got some dope clothes. Like I said, they sent me a package here today, and I got a little treat inside here for you guys. Some early Jordans, obviously. But let's get right to this package. Let's not waste no time. Put this here in front of me. Where is there it is. I like a lot of whatchamacallit, these pants. They got this material, it's like windbreaker sort of, from 8 and 9. And you know, they've been taking care of me, they've been taking care of this channel for a very long time. So please, even if you don't decide to buy anything from them, give them a follow on IG. My man Figs too, really humble guy from the Bronx as well. 8 and 9 is located down in Miami. I believe that's where the facility is. So that's where this package came from, and they always take care. They always look how much. Look at this. This is all me. Now we're gonna take a quick look one by one. As you can see, I got a t-shirt, a white t-shirt from them. I don't really want to take it out of the packaging now, but it says 8-9 trenches. Really dope. Plain, nothing crazy. I really don't think there's too much crazy graphic on the back. But we'll set this aside. Check out, I got another. Oh, I got two of the same t-shirts. Okay. You know why I honestly did that? It's because these white shirts, you just can't keep white, man. And it was a dope shirt, so I decided to double up on it. Set that over here. Now as for the pants, these are the combat nylon pants, iridescent navy. Very dope. If you want to see more of, let me take out the pair of pants, because if you guys are brand new, you're probably not gonna know what the heck I'm talking about. But if you want to see pictures, my Instagram also is in the description. Give me a follow over there. We're almost at 5K. We did have 30K, but like I told my viewers before, I actually got hacked. That really sucks. But as you can see, we got the the zippers. You got the pockets. I really love these pants. I actually took one of these pants for my work pants, and I love them, man. I even got my co-workers rocking them too. So word of mouth, 8 and 9, we getting around, baby. I got some more pants, just the same color. Oh, this is a different color. This is the iridescent wine color. So this is more like a burgundy. Check this out real quick. See the color of that? Very dope. I'll give you guys some, I guess, some B-roll of all the items that they gave me. But I basically got a bunch of pants. I picked up these jeans from my boy Ian. These jeans I really love. I got the all denim ones, all just regular denim. Very dope. I use them a lot on my on-feet pictures. I also got another t-shirt here. It says build and destroy. Let's take it out the package and check this one out. Very dope, man. Build and destroy on the front there. See there on the was that the left hand, yeah, towards the heart. and it's on the back as well. Very dope. Very, very clean tee. These pants. Yeah, I basically got 3 pairs of the same pants, but all different colors. I just love these pants. And see, I got another pair of gray ones. I got like 3 pairs of these gray ones. So dope. But in the summertime too, they're not hot. So you don't really have to worry about, like, you know, sweating in them, or like, you know, like I said, I work with them. So it doesn't get hot enough to where, you know, I'm like, God, I'm wearing pants. That does not, that doesn't happen with them. So first of all, huge shout out to 8 and 9. Thank you guys so much over there. Truly, truly appreciate you guys so much. If you guys want to shop with them, links to their, you know, website, their Instagram, everything is in the description. Make sure you check them out. Figs, thank you very much. I truly, truly appreciate you. All right, now, because I was supposed to get this package Saturday, but you know, UPS, they like to play games. They tell me, yeah, your package will be here Saturday the 10th between 2 and 6. I get out of work at 1 on Saturday, so I'm like, all right, I didn't miss it. You actually need a, you know, signature to acquire these packages nowadays, because people just like to steal them off your stoop, which is irritating. Come on. There we go. Oh. All right, guys, as you can see, this is a Air Jordan 1 box. As to what is inside of it, we're going to take a look at that right now. Ooh, these are nice. Here you have it, guys. The Air Jordan 1 Low Black Toe. Now, this is after, you know, they're going for that reimagined, that OG model. God, these are so fire. I am so upset that I got rid of my highs. I got rid of them to a good friend though, Ian. Yeah, you know, he has them. He loves them. He takes care of them. So I'm not that upset, but I am upset that I got rid of them. But just take a look at these guys. Ooh, these are just as good. Well, at least for the summer, at least. Woo! Make sure you guys stay tuned for the detailed review, because we are going to be doing an on-foot review as well. This is a pretty shoe. I'm hyped, man. But guys, let me know down in the comment section what you guys think. Do you guys think you're going to be picking these up? Because they drop, I think, next month, I believe, if I'm not mistaken. But as you know, we got them here early. We're going to take a detailed review. We're going to look into them, you know, basically break down the materials, break down, you know, the shoe. Guys, I want to thank you guys so much for tuning in. 8 and 9. I love you guys from the bottom of my heart, man. But seriously, guys, thank you so much for watching. I truly appreciate it. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. And until next time, it is your man, the son of some man, and we're out, guys. Peace.